So GM folks, today we are going to see how to open your Open Campus ID. Now, whenever you go to the HackQuest portal, you can see that there is an option to authenticate yourself through your Open Campus ID. So today we will see how to open your Open Campus ID and how to log into HackQuest through it. So to open your Open Campus ID, just go to your preferred browser and search for Open Campus. Here you can see URL, that is Open Campus ID. Just click here and it will give you this kind of UI. You can just click on this button, claim yours now. Just click on this button and it will give you the option to connect your wallet. Just connect your wallet. You can verify your wallet through this. It will just request you to give a sign. I mean, it will say you to sign a transaction. You can just confirm this to sign this, and after that it will be verified successfully, and thereafter it will give you a UI. Now the most vital step comes, that is, here you have to give your username in which you are gonna create your Open Campus ID. For now I am just giving Tech Janta Party. So you can see that this is uh, this is available. This is 4 to 20 characters long, and this should be unique for everyone. And if your ID just clashes or matches with someone else, it will show you that this is not available. So after that, you can see that there is a field called referral code. You can just skip this because it's optional and just click next. So after that, you have to give your name. For now, I am giving, that is, Tech Janta Party. And for the email address, I am giving techjantaparty@gmail.com. So now just copy this and once again confirm. Okay, so you can't paste here. After that, just click next and it will send a code to your email address, and you just need to paste the OTP over here. So I am going to my email ID, I mean the Gmail, and pasting my OTP right up here. So after you paste your OTP, it will be validated automatically, and thereafter you will be guided to this page. Here you need to choose your country. For my case, I am giving India. Then for the province, I am giving West Bengal because I belong from West Bengal. And for the city, I am giving Kolkata. And as I am a bachelor student, so I am giving here bachelor. And my primary language is Bengali. And also I am adding English. So now I am adding Bengali only. I can add only one language. And in my secondary language, I am just giving English. Make sure you keep English in your secondary language. And after that, you can give whatever you want. I am giving Hindi. And after that, just click on create your profile. It will take some time to load the window. And now, yeah, successfully your Open Campus ID has been created. Now you have a chance to link your X profile here. And whenever you will click on this button that link your X profile, it will just get connected to your Twitter. And for this, you are gonna get some tokens. So whenever you click on authorize, it will be authorized automatically. And yep, you can see that it's connected already. And I have to connect my wallet once again here, and I am connecting my MetaMask. Okay, so it's connected. So our Open Campus ID is now totally created. You can just go to edit profile page to see everything of your profile. You can see that your profile is only 52% completed because I have not added my personal info. So for now, I am just adding my info. That's my gender is male. And yeah, I am adding a date of birth like 2005, 4, and 16. It's not my real date of birth. I am just, creating a demo. And for this, for my employment status, I am just clicking on student. And my industry, I am just selecting education, and obviously I'm a single guy at the end of the, so I am just clicking on single and just click on save. You can see that my profile is 82% completed now. I just need to give my contact info. That is, my mail is already given here. So I am just giving my phone number. So just go, I am going to India and I will just add my phone number here. After adding my phone number, you can see that my profile is now complete, and I will just click on return to dashboard, and it will be just connected to my, I mean, it will just redirect me to my dashboard. And yeah, successfully our Open Campus ID has been created. Now it's time to go to HackQuest. You can go to hackquest.io. And now here you can see a sign up button. Just click on sign up. And now here you can see a option continue with OCID. Just click here and it will take a OAuth to the Open Campus, and you just need to authorize your app. It will be automatically authorized. And now we are here in the page. Our Open Campus ID has been verified. Now for the invite code, I will be pasting my invite code in the description. So just use this invite code to get yourself registered to HackQuest portal. Just paste this code here. I will give this code in description. Just click on submit. It will take some time and it will say you that yeah, you are logged into HackQuest. Just click on continue. And I have some experience in Web3. You can say I am a intermediate, so I am clicking on this level. Continue. So I am here to learn Web3 programming. So sorry, I am here to just join hackathons and clicking continue. So after that, it will show you that which ecosystems are you interested in. For now, I am clicking on Sonic and EduChain. Clicking on continue. After that, it will say you to choose your preferred language. For my case, I am choosing English. And yeah, my quack is ready. Just for it's a gamified animation, I have to click on this egg to start my HackQuest journey. And once again, you just need to click I am ready. Just continue. Once again, continue. Now you can click hatch now. And for now, I am adding my name. That is Tech Janata Party. And I'm clicking hatch now. And you can see a button earn quack coin. It's just a gamified approach to make your Web3 learnings more interesting. And yep, you can see that here is a NFT. And as I don't have any kind of mainnet tokens in EduChain, I can't mint it, because to claim your NFT, you need to have some EduChain mainnet tokens, but I don't have those, so I can't mint this. But if you just click on, if you have some EduChain tokens and you click on this mint option, you can directly claim your this NFT. This is exclusive NFT given by HackQuest to all new joiners. Just click on confirm. And yep, you can see that I already have this, and you can just click on claims. And yeah, we are done with our HackQuest setup, and that's it. We have opened our Open Campus ID. We have opened everything. And for the name, I am just giving Tech Janata Party in the HackQuest. Yep, so that's it from my side today. Just keep your eye in the Tech Janata Party YouTube channel for more Web3, blockchain, and other domain related videos. And I will be sharing some more videos on cryptography and Web3 in our channel. So goodbye as of now. Thank you so much.